For Donald Trump just got smacked down in Washington, D.C., and this one could have huge implications across the country. Here's what happened. The D.C. mayor and attorney general filed a lawsuit against Trump for trying to stage what looks like an unlawful takeover of the Metropolitan Police Department. Think about that for a second. Trump and Pam Bondi tried to push out the city's police chief, Pamela Smith, the first black woman to ever lead the Park Police in its 230-year history, and replace her with a Trump loyalist who has zero experience with policing in D.C. Chief Smith herself said this was one of the most dangerous moves she's ever seen from national leadership. Why? Because they're basically gutting the MPD, nearly 4,000 officers strong, and tossing in someone who doesn't even know the city, its rules, or how to protect its residents. But it gets worse. Trump also floated the idea of pulling 120 FBI agents off of federal cases involving terrorism, child trafficking, interstate fraud, and putting them on street patrol in D.C. Not only are these agents untrained for street policing, but it would also kneecap federal investigations. In other words, chaos isn't a byproduct of Trump's plan, it is the plan. And while the law does give the president limited emergency powers in D.C. for federal purposes only, it does not allow him to fire a police chief, rewrite all the rules, and seize total control of a local police force. That's why legal experts believe this case will be an easy call for a federal judge, who's likely to block Trump's scheme. But here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about D.C. Trump has openly said he wants to expand this kind of authoritarian power grab to cities across America. Today it's Washington, tomorrow it could be Philadelphia, Detroit, Milwaukee, or Atlanta, Democratic strongholds he's already targeting for 2024. And that's exactly why this fight matters to every American. If Trump succeeds here, he'll feel emboldened to export this strategy nationwide, using federal muscle to intimidate cities, undermine elections, and consolidate power. So make no mistake, this lawsuit in D.C. isn't just about one city's police department. It's about whether Trump can steamroll democracy itself.